In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an object or a frame proportionally in Figma. Let's get started right from the Figma homepage. First, log into your Figma account using your usual details. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Take a moment to locate the project where you want to resize an object or a frame. This could be a design file you've already been working on, like a website layout, a mobile app screen, or any other UI project. Click on that file to open it in the Figma editor. Now that you're inside the editor, look around your canvas and find the specific object or frame you want to resize. This might be a button, an image, an icon, or a full screen frame. Click once on it to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it with small handles on the corners and silhouettes. These are the resize handles. To make sure you resize everything proportionally, you're going to use Figma's scale tool. On your keyboard, press the letter K. You'll notice that your cursor changes slightly, and you're now in scaling mode instead of the usual move or select mode. This tells Figma that you want to scale the selected element while maintaining its proportions. Move your cursor over one of the corner resize handles of the selected object or frame. It's best to use a corner because that naturally respects the width and height together. Click and drag inwards to make the object smaller, or drag outwards to make it bigger. While you drag, Figma will scale the object or frame proportionally. That means the height and width will change together, so your design won't look stretched or squashed. Take your time while dragging and watch how the design responds. If you're resizing a frame that contains other elements, like text or icons, you'll see those elements scale along with the frame. This is especially useful when you're quickly creating different size variations of a component or a screen. When you're happy with the size, simply release the mouse. You can press the V key or escape to go back to the regular selection tool if you'd like to continue editing. And that's it. You've just learned how to resize an object or a frame proportionally in Figma using the scale